Hey guys, what's up? Back here with another video, and today I will be playing some Gacha Life, and I'm going to be showing you how to create Kakashi Hatake from Naruto. Let's get right into it. So what you want to do first is make sure it's a boy for the gender, and then turn the skin this one right here, next to this one. It's in between these two and above this weird one. Then close it. Make the height 1 and blush 0. Then the pose is pose 70. Now go to the hairs and make the hair, the rear hair is 212 right here. And then the front hair, it will be on page 11. It is front hair 253. You want no hair tip. And then the back hair is on page 4 of 5. It's back hair 74. And make sure the base is white. The fade is the middle gray here. And then the accessory, I think that means, just make sure white and have no tip. Then the face, you don't want any hats, so I'm going to go get rid of these now. I want none of this stuff as right now, at least. Just get rid of all that, and we'll put all the stuff on in a minute. Okay, so for the eyes, you want to have eyes 64. So that is page, no, that's 78. I think these ones. No. That is right here. Wait, no. Yeah, you want eyes 63, I meant, which is page, I believe, that is page 4 out of 5. And you want the top one to be completely black, and then the one under it to be darkest red you can get, like this. Now the pupils. You want to go all the way to page 4. You want these ones. And the first one is going to be black. It'll make both of them black. But then for the second one, make it the middle red here. And then for the eyebrows, you just give him eyebrows 3. Now you want no glasses. The mouth is mouth 45, which is right here. Page 3 out of 11. Now for the accessory, you want to go to page 2 and put on this one right here. Now I know that doesn't look like Kakashi because it has the skeleton. What you want to do is make it gray here. Or no, wait, not gray. You want it to be this blue right here. And then same right there. So now it looks like, kind of like that. Now for clothes, for the shirt, you want to get shirt 54, which is right here on page 3 out of 5. Now I'll color it in a second. Sleeves, you want sleeves 20, which is page 2. Right here, I think. Yeah. Pants, I need to check and see if they have like ones that have the longer bandages. Okay, they don't. I guess you could. No, you can't use these. Okay, so for the pants, let me just take the belt off. Okay, for the belt, you want to go to page 2. Or no, wait, no. You want to go to page 3 and put on belt 47. And now for this, you want to find these pants right here. Pants 13. And then for the shoes, you want to put on these shoes because Kakashi actually wears like flip-flops and these kind of look like those. So now we color them. So for this part, because it's that, you want to do Hold on. Wait. Okay, so you want to do this color right here. And then on the inside, you want to make it completely white like that. Then for the sleeves, you're going to want to make the bottom of the sleeve, you're going to give it that blue color there, like that. And then for the top of this, you want to make it the blue color again. Then for the bottom, you're going to make it light gray, because those are like the bandage things that he has there. And now for this belt thing here, you want to make it firstly be the dark green, and then secondly be this green. But you really can't really see it. You just want that little, like those things right there from that. Then for the gloves, you want to give it, at the top, you want it to have the blue color, and then this part, light gray. Now for the shoes, put the blue on the top, and then on the bottom, black. And now for the hats, or the other I should say, for hat, you want to go to page 3 and put on hat 41. Then the scarf, you want to go to page 2 and put on scarf 33. So now for this, you're just going to want to give it the bluish color, and then on the bottom I just put light gray. And by the way, this is my completely original gacha. I made it looking at a drawing that I made, and just for the legs and the gloves I had to look at a picture. But that wasn't a gacha, that was a picture of Kakashi in some kind of like stance. So it's my completely original. I didn't have to look at any video, or I just got the idea because my favorite character from the show is Kakashi. Now, once you do this, you can go to this. And I was really happy to see that they actually do have kunais. If you go on page, when you go on page 9 out of 10, front prop 161 and back prop 161, there's kunais, and you don't need a shield at all. You don't want a shield. Well, you might want to, but I didn't want to. Now, for this part, you make it, that gray, and then the back you make it black for the handles, and you do that for both of them. And now we go to here, and we name it Kakashi Hatake. Now, luckily you can fit the whole name. And now, I'm just gonna put for all these unknown, because I haven't watched that much. I'm only on the 2nd episode of Naruto. I really need to get more with that though. Now, edit info. I didn't give him info, but if you want to, you can do that. But either way, there you have it. Your own Kakashi Hatake from Naruto in Gacha Life. Feel free to use it if you ever want to. And peace out.